It's about to go down. Bringing it out of storage. One-man show. Gaps is tight. Flow jack, 2 dollies, all muscle. Coming to the front, we're gonna make a video showing the whole get down, what's all here, what's all with it. And gotta go. I love my projects, but yeah, gotta go. 6-1 Impala bubble top. Where do we start? We start with, this is a 1961 Impala bubble top. Complete restoration project. The frame is solid, no rust. The floor pans are shot, as you see down here, there. This was a running driving car. I did drive it once upon a time, but then I started embarking on the trip. All windows are here except for the passenger window over there. It came apart. It needs quarter panel repair, rocker panel repair on the right hand side, trunk pan right here in the middle, passenger side, rocker panel, quarter panel and all that too. You have floor pans, all the trim for the whole car, all the metal for the whole car, all the parts over there. And then you have all the new stuff that was bought for the car. New front and back bumpers. New light bezels, mirrors, license plate frames, the spears for the fenders, the license plate trays, skirts, dash pad and visors, new carpet. The interior color was going to be fawn. All the seat covers and side covers, all brand new side molding. What do we have here? We have headliner, we have the rear tail lights, we have brand new in the box door panels. What else we got here? So that's pretty much it. Oh, trunk. The trunk is solid, being there. And so, yeah, so what you see, oh, we got those two. Those are over there. So, yeah, we have everything to build you a 61 Impala the way you want to do it. I did all the hard parts. Well, the next step is putting it all together. There's also a LS motor that can be sold that was going for this car. LS1 Corvette motor, 5.7, along with a 460L transmission. That is being sold separately. Radiator support, inner thing. The front and back bumpers with all the bracketry to it. Rear underneath the seat. Rear underneath the back fenders. We got your grill. You got your grill piece underneath it. Another one over there, replacement. Drive shaft. Door panels that aren't in the car. These are in the car here. So with the felt on them. Quarter panel patches, stuff I bought over the years. So if you need this in your life, get with me.